Okay, guys. Like some of you have this problem also that chickens are pooping in their nesting box. Let me know if you know any ways, because I cover them. I covered, but they keep pushing everything out. My problem is that right now the chickens are using their laying box as a pooper. So I have to clean it because some of them are already laying. Move away from their brood. Get away from there. And there will be like 4 chickens inside of every coop. I only got 3. I got 9 chickens. I just incorporated one, as you saw. That one's also from the city. My wife brought it to me because it was at my father-in-law's house. It was just there sitting down in the bench. So they captured it and brought it to me. And that's a lot of shit. Now I see why the coop was inside. Was it clean? And everything was over here. Last one. Get this. can I say? Welcome to my coop. This is my little barn office. You could say storage barn office. Alright. Hope you liked my video. I've been being busy here at the house, cleaning up. I cut some trees later throughout the couple of months ago and picking up trash.
Somebody's out there.
Who's there? I don't know, I can't see. Light it up a little bit more. Oh boy. Somebody's out there. You go check. It was just the wind. Okay, boy. Just the wind. It was a great Sunday. A lot of work. You know, since Saturday I've been working outside. I haven't put out any content. As you saw, I have new animals, some quail. I made some little hutches. Three hutches and some quail that I'm raising right now to eat. And also for the eggs. Well guys, this is my new setup. You know, I'll be making some videos here. And brought a desk from work. I've got my Chevy hood cap. Texas cutting board that I painted, that it was old. My block rocker for music. My homies with their lowrider. I ain't gonna play because YouTube might just flag me out. And oh, you saw my new pup, Blue. I've been training him to, rustle the chickens, and he puts them back inside the chicken coop. And when I tell him to go do it, that's what I'm training him to do. As you know, he's a blue heeler, cattle dogs, but they don't have to be cattle dogs. They can do almost anything. You have to train them right. So that's what I've been doing, training my blue heeler. His name is Blue, very energetic. He hasn't killed any chickens, but he ate a quail that escaped. So he loves those. I'm pretty sure he does. And so you saw him in the video that he was wrangling the chickens back on the coop. I could open the coop, let a couple go, and then he brings them back. That's what I've been teaching him to do. He does not kill them. He grabs them and pushes them in, like pushes them in, or I tell him let him go. He lets the chickens go, but he hasn't killed none. So I don't think he's gonna kill none. He's been raised with the chickens, so I'm raising him with the chickens. In other words, so he's a pretty good asset to my, little chicken farm here, little chicken farm. Cause so that's it for tonight, guys. I've been working pretty hard outside and at work, and then come back, feed them. The quail, I only got 4 weeks with them. I got them small, so when there was a little bit of cold weather out there, put a heat lamp, and they were fine. 3 of them escaped. 1 of them I catch. The other one, Blue ate it, and the other one went to my neighbor's house. Smells real nice, right, Blue? Whoa, you good boy. Well, that's it, guys. I'll see you next time on King of the Coop. This is Sunday night Coop Talk. All right, guys. See you.